Before we get started into the video, there are so many YouTube videos out there that don't really explain how to buy cryptocurrency properly. Well, if you're confused and you don't know where to start, then you've come to the right place. I'm CryptoBuzz and we're going to go over how to buy any cryptocurrency in today's 3-minute tutorial. Just quick, I am giving away $100 worth of Bitcoin, so if you want to be entered into that, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video and comment down below your favorite cryptocurrency. Good luck. Now, buying any cryptocurrency usually involves 3 steps: researching before buying, getting a compatible wallet and buying the actual coins. Whether you know which cryptocurrency you want to buy or you're still debating about it, it's highly recommended to do extensive research before investing your money. Sometimes a certain coin gets a lot of hype, but once you've actually researched into it a bit, you find out it's not a very wise investment. Aside from googling information about the coin, coinmarketcap.com is a very good place to start. The site lists all available cryptocurrencies and supplies detailed information about each one of them, aside from their price. Next, it's time to get a wallet for your coins. Keep coinmarketcap.com on the side of your tab, and it's time to actually get a wallet. Now, cryptocurrencies are stored on programs called wallets that are installed on your computer or mobile phone, which each cryptocurrency needs a different type of wallet. Most wallets can store multiple coin types. Make sure that the wallet you intend to use supports the coin that you're buying. If you're looking for adding a security, it's probably better to use a hardware wallet, which is a physical device that connects to your computer and keeps your coins offline, away from the reach of hackers. Now, the 2 wallets that I recommend for you guys are MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Now, all you can do is install them on your phone, or you can install MetaMask on your PC. If you are using a PC, then MetaMask is the one to go. Make sure you keep your seed phrase and do not share it with anyone. Now, once you actually have a wallet, you'll need to locate your cryptocurrency address for receiving payments. Each coin has a different address format, but they usually look like a long string of letters and numbers. You'll need this for the final step. Finally, it's time to buy your coins on an online exchange. Exchanges such as coinmarketcap.com, Binance are exchanges where you can actually link your exchange to your wallet and actually buy a cryptocurrency. If you're looking to buy several cryptocurrencies, we recommend choosing an exchange that already supports all of your desired coins, as the sign up process at an exchange usually takes a while. Before we conclude, a word of advice: never invest any amount of money in cryptocurrency that you cannot afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and extremely risky, even the more established ones. Now, if you do find yourself being confused, I will be releasing a video in more detail, so make sure to subscribe, click that red button because it is free, and if you want to stay notified for this detailed video, then make sure you click that bell notification. I'll be going through all the steps in complete detail so you guys do not get stuck or confused. If you have any questions, make sure you pop it down below in the comment section. But without further ado, if you enjoyed this video and it helped, then I'm very glad. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video.